Good morning, friends. Welcome to Phonics for today. We are going to go over the high frequency words we did last time, those sight words, and then I have a couple of new sight words I want us to look at that you probably already know too, but we're going to look at them anyway. And then we have one more thing to talk about, and then you can go on to your next activity. I'm going to say the word, you say the word. The, not, have, a, got, go. All right. Now remember, when I introduced those words to you last time, I said the word, you said the word, and then we spelled it and blended it together. So let's do that. I say you, and then we say Y-O-U, you. Will, W-I-L-L, will. To, T-O, to. Now, the other skill I want you to think about today is syllables. And most of you have seen syllables, but I want to teach you a cool rule about them. I have some words here I want us to look at. These words all have more than one syllable, and I'm going to tell you how I know. This word is napkin. If I clap the syllables in napkin, I say napkin. It has two syllables. Sometimes when we're looking at the sounds in words, we use shapes or lines or things to mark on them so we know what they say. So today I'm going to use a marker to draw a syllable line. And when I say napkin, I hear two sounds, two different word parts, syllables. And so if I clap, I can hear napkin, napkin. And I'm going to draw a line between them because in that one it's really easy to hear. Now I know that napkin has two syllables. Now, if I look closely, every syllable in a word has to have a vowel. Every syllable in a word has to have a vowel. So in napkin, nap has the vowel A, and kin has the vowel I. I'm going to underline them. So I know for sure there are two syllables, or yes, two syllables, because I have two vowels. Just because there's two vowels does not mean it has two syllables. You have to listen. But if you think it has two syllables, or three syllables, or four syllables, each one will have a vowel sound in there. Now, I want you to remember vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, and U. One of these letters has to be in each syllable in your word. Now let's look at these other words. This word is about. About. If I clap about for my syllables, I say about. There are two, and this one is weird because the is the A sound. I told you that the other day when we had A for a sight word. Sometimes we say like I have a dog instead of I have a dog. So here, about are my syllables, and each one does have a vowel sound. This one has A, and bout, the OU go together to make ow, and they are the vowel sound in this syllable. So napkin, about. Human is a word, human, and when I clap human, let's find out how many syllables there are. Human. We have two in this one as well, and if you look, can you see if we have two syllables with two vowel sounds? We do. In human, we have hu, and the word man. Human is an interesting word because we call it a schwa. It's when the vowel sound doesn't make its name. And about, pencil, human, they all have some kind of schwa in them. It's just a fancy word. So human does have two syllables, and it has two vowels. Now, pencil, pencil, I can hear it if I say it. If I say a pencil, pencil is sometimes hard to hear, you know, like a word I might not know that it has. If I just say marker, that's a word, or pencil is a word. But if I slow down and I figure out where those syllables are, I can better spell the word. That's why we work on this. So if I say pencil, I say pencil. I have two sounds, pen and sol. Remember, this I is a schwa because pencil, if you had an I, it normally says I in a short vowel sound or I in a long vowel sound. And pencil, the sol, is not an I sound at all. But there is an I there. So this one would be a little tricky to spell, but it still has two vowel sounds. Now, when you're writing, I want you to be thinking about how you sound out words. If you're trying to sound out a word and you think about it and you figure out it has 2 or 3 syllables, you can sound out one syllable at a time. Just like napkin, I may not know how to spell napkin, but if I sound out nap and I sound out kin and I put them together, it's napkin. So this week when you are starting to write, I want you to be thinking about using syllables to help you write out your words. Good job, friends.